So let's just continue with the class. Sorry, I had to break it, so I will, rest and we'll continue. So from here now, we've loaded the data set, the Swiss data set. So what I want us to do now is to see how we can, let's get the KPI first, put it on top of our dashboard. So the first thing I want to see, I want to get the total number of judges. That's what I want to see. Number of judges first, and we are good to go. So number of judges, let's get the number of judges first. Okay, so I already built this. Let me just use this and the sum of judges. Okay, we are good to go here. All right, so this is total number of judges here. So let's work with that. So this is our KPI. So we want to know the proceeding duration, the number of days, or the total number of days. That's all the courts, all the proceedings lasted. We want to know the total number of days. So we just come to this place and so we just fix this and drop it here. So 15 million days. So 15 million days. So 15 million days. Okay. So what's the next thing now? I want to see the month with the highest number of judges. I want to see the month that was assigned the major judges. So what we have to do now is click on the month. Where's the month? And also number of judges. So let's use I want to use this. Okay, let me just use this. I want to use this. Okay, let's drop it here so that we can put our slicer here. So I don't want this color, I want to change this color. So let us go to the bar, change it to this. Okay, here you can just decide to increase, go to your X and Y. You can just increase it, and then you can make it bold. Okay, just change the color, and then I decide to just play around with what is here. Okay, and then on our X axis, so let's just play around with what is here. Okay, and the effect, is there anything we can do on the effect here? The title, let's change it to number of judges by month. Then take it to the middle, or make it bold. Change the color, and then let's go back to the X and Y. There's something I want us to do there. X and Y, change the color to black and we'll increase. No, let's let it go. Let us leave it like this, and then we are good to go. So the second thing I want us to do is let me see. I want to get the proceeding type that got the highest number of judges. So click on proceeding type, and number of judges. So let's use this. Okay, let's use this. Sorry. So we are doing our dashboard now. We could go and change the color. I don't want that color. Line. No color, sorry, not line. Go to color and change it to this. Let's be working with this. Then you can also decide to change visual X and Y, increase, change this to bold, and then we are good to go. Remember that you can design your dashboard in a very beautiful way. Just because of time, I can't be able to do that. You can use your shape, make sure you align this with the shape. Get your shape. That shape, so many shapes here. Design anything you want to design, make it very beautiful, and then we are good to go. So this is just my own dashboard that I'm building. So we are good to go. So the next thing we want to do now is to get the division type by days, sorry, division type by the duration. Want to know the division type with the highest duration. So click on division type, I think with the highest preceding duration. That is, we want to know the division type that lasted more. And remember that the preceding duration is in days. So let's use what are we going to use now? Let's use this. We use this on our demonstration. Let's use this. Just drop it here. Remember, you can decide to just collapse this and to count this. So let's change the color of this. Let's change the color, change the effects, sorry, visual slicer. Will change this to this, change this to this, I will change this to this. So this should work. So shows that here, from here, public lasted more compared to others. The kind of division public lasted more, maybe because it is public, so many cases be brought to that place, followed by civil. Criminal will always take time because it has to do with more of an investigation. You need to investigate more. That is why if you go to prisons, you see many victims there, because it will take time for their judgments to be given. So that is why it's like that. That is why it's like this. So this is just my own analysis and the insight I'm trying to get from there. So let's try to see length by year. Let's know the year that got that lasted more. Let's try and do that. So it is year by the length. This is called length, judgment length. Okay. So okay, you see, if you observe something now, both the length and the year are in the same column, they are in the same axis. So we just have to change it. Okay, something is wrong. Year should be here, I think so. Okay, we just come here and change it. We'll just change it to from column. We'll just change the color and we are good to go. So let's just expand this. Okay, I think our dashboard is looking beautiful. I just love this color. Okay, I love this color so much. So so we are good to go. Remember that the reason why this thing is aligned to 2021 is because it's in numbers. If you change the data type of this now to be text, it will not align the way it should. So we will come to this place to make sure we align this. So let's just get the okay, let's get the slicer. Let's get the slicer and fix the year. Should we fix the year? Or let's use let's use okay, let us use the year. Let's filter by year. Let's change this to drop. See, take it to this place. Then we change. Let's change it. There's something I want to do now. We just make it transparent. And we are good to go. Change the effect, make it transparent. Anytime we click on this, these are the records of 27. So 2007, let's get the record of 2020. So 2020 shows that just January that was assigned judges, and it's just how many judges? Let's see, it's just one assigned to 2020. That's the only record, just one judge assigned to 2020. Maybe there was no case that period. So here is the highest is March 1068. So this is how to filter. I think March got the highest. Okay, so here you can just filter. Okay, we still have 2020. Okay, you can just filter with this. When you cancel, you just cancel and then to return back to the way it should. So the next thing we want to now, see how we can align this. This shouldn't be like this, but because Power BI doesn't recognize text, doesn't align text like this, but it always align them. You can see this is PC, so it doesn't align text like this. So what we have to do now is to align it so it will be January, February, March, April, May. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is to go to this place, our data set, and create a new column. So on the new column, this is what we're going to do. Just type with me. So allow it to load. So you type with me now. Come to this place, we change it to, so just change it to month underscore number. So let's just fix it like this. Then you now type month. You can do that with weekday. Then click on your tab. Then you go to you click on your data set, which is Swiss. Then where are we extracting it from is the date. So you now close. When you close, you run your code. Now it will form a new column. Sorry, a new column here, which is month underscore number. It will form it here. Now when you are done forming it, you now assign. What you have to do now is just come to this place, you click on it, click on the month. Sorry, you now sort by what? You sort by month number. When you sort by month number, now this will align. It will align after you sort. So you come to this place now, sort by month. So I think it should align itself. See, January, February, March, April, May. So this is how to do that. So you can also remember, this is just to avoid wasting more of our time, just for demonstration purpose. You can go home and then you can just decide to work on these things. You can make it more beautiful compared to this. And this is how to this is how we build our project, and it's something that you can also add more to yours too. So please try and make sure you add more beauty to this. And if you want to filter, you know what to do. Filter, and then everything here will change. So also you can make use of your, if you want to make use of shapes, just come to this place, click on the shape you want to, and align this chart to the shape, give it any beauty you want, make it very beautiful. And the next thing you do now, after you're done with this, now is to build your report. Your report, to use your build your slicer and your report, which is use your PowerPoint to build your slicer. That is your presentation. Sorry, not slicer. You build a presentation using your PowerPoint, and also there should also be a report also. Then while presenting your insights, remember, this is what you are presenting to them using your presentation. That's your PowerPoint. This should also back you up. You are using this as your dashboard. You're also using the report and also your presentation. So those are the things you are using. Remember, we use SQL to do this project. You can use your Excel to do that too. So subsequently, we'll be using different tools to build our project, and more projects will be coming. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. Remember, this is the part 2 of the project. It's a continuation of our first project. So remember to subscribe and expect more videos from us. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much.